Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here is Lucy. She's come in for a redesign. So it was the burgundy set that I had uploaded on here that she originally had, so I just took it back down to the clear layer. So yeah, pushing back her cuticles, and then I'm coming in with my cuticle bit and just removing any dead skin that's on her nail. So then here I'm just coming in with my sanding band on the lowest setting, and I'll literally just tickle over her nails just to remove the surface shine. So I was going to do a full acrylic design, but then we decided actually she liked a gel polish that I had, so we went with that. So then I'm just applying crystal glass to all the nails, and I'm using my Glitter Planets magic stick size 14. And I've actually got my nails done, believe it or not. These were mega long. If you went on my Instagram, you saw I uploaded a set of what they look like, but mid-client, honest to God, I could not work with them at all. I don't know how you girls do it. I was really struggling to do anything, even to hold the brush. It sounds absolutely ridiculous. So mid-client, I was trying to file them off, and then now they're just like tiny baby nails that look ridiculous, but they're stuck on, so I'm just going to leave them for a little while and then I'll take them off. But honestly, how do you girls do it? So that was just a really basic acrylic application. There was nothing to it really. So then on this finger she wanted a nice glitter finger, so I'm using Neon Iridescent from Glitter Planet For some reason I thought it was called Pink Flamingo, but it's not. It's another one I've got. Had Pink Flamingo in my head the whole time I was watching that. But anyway, it's neon iridescent, and it's just the perfect colour that matches the gel polish that we're going to apply. So I'm just picking up a small bead of clear acrylic, dipping into that glitter and patting it onto the nail. So once I'm happy with that, I'll just then come in with a bead of clear acrylic and I'll just cap that entire nail. So then once everything is set, I then come in with my hand file and I'll just perfect the shape. So you can see me here doing that, and I think these files are either CJP or OPI, I can't remember, but I'll put everything in the description box. I think it's the OPI ones. So I just do the side walls first, making sure that we've got a nice sharp point on these nails. I then come in with my hand file, no, not my hand file, my drill, sorry, and I'll just whiz over the entire nail just to make sure everything is lovely, smooth and even, and make sure that cuticle area is lovely and flush. So I buffed them nice and smooth. She then went and washed her hands, give them a good scrub, so we've got a nice clean surface to apply our gel. So I'm using Naio Nails it's by Naio Nails, their Urban Graffiti gel polish. This is their old pot and it's called Sunscreen. So I don't know if you can get it anymore, because I know they've got all new ones. It's an old bottle, so I don't know if you can get it anymore. I'm pretty sure you can't, but I'm sure they've got a similar one on the website. I'll check it out to see if I can find one. But it's just the perfect, like, bright corally pinky. She's going to Tenerife, so these are just going to fit in perfect. So I'm just applying a nice thin layer of that, making sure that you're not touching the cuticles, and make sure just before your client puts their hand in the lamp that the gel isn't bulging over any of the sides or anything like that ruins your shape. So just double check that. So that was me applying a second coat of the colour, and then I'll cure in the lamp for a full 60 seconds, and then I'm coming in with CJP's Tack Free Top Gloss, and I'm going to coat all the nails except the middle one, because we're going to apply some crystals, and I like to just rub off the sticky layer on that. I don't like to put a top coat. I like to just rub off the sticky layer from the gel and then put the crystals on top of that and then top coat, just because I feel like they're getting like double strength. The strength from the glue, the strength from the gel, just locks them in place. So I thought I recorded her right hand, but I didn't, so I'm recording her left. So it looks a bit weird because we did one hand the whole set and now we're doing this. But anyway, so I'm just applying some crystals with my CJP gripper glue and my crayon. Do you know what? I'm going to get something else, a wax pen or something, because I feel like a little bit of the green comes off sometimes. It just stresses me out. So I'm going to say bye to the crystal crayon. God, so embarrassing. Well, it's not. It's done its purpose, so it's not embarrassing at all. But anyway, so yeah, I'm just applying those. She said she wanted loads, so I was like, you're not having a full nail because I'm not feeling the full nail. So just do a little design I thought would look pretty. So I then applied some top coat to this nail, cured in my lamp for 60 seconds, applied some cuticle oil, and that is the set complete. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you don't subscribe to my channel already, please do. And yeah, here's the final result. Beautiful, beautiful holiday nails. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye.